Let's continue with our next topic, that is cell organelles. Every cell has membrane around it to keep its own content separate from the external environment. हर सेल के अराउंड एक मेम्ब्रेन होती है. सी दिस इज अ सेल एंड दिस इज मेम्ब्रेन अराउंड इट टू कीप इट्स ओन कंटेंट. अपने सारे कंटेंट को ये सेपरेट रखता है, ये मेम्ब्रेन. कहाँ से? फ्रॉम द एक्सटर्नल एनवायरनमेंट. Large and complex cells, including cells from multicellular organisms, need a lot of chemical activities to support their complicated structure and function. To keep these activities of different kinds separate from each other, these cells use membrane-bound little structures within themselves. This is one of the main feature of the eukaryotic cells. That distinguish them from prokaryotic cell. Means membrane bound जो cell organelles होते हैं वो सिर्फ eukaryotes में होते हैं, as we studied before. और prokaryote में कोई भी membrane bound cell organelles नहीं होता. Some of these organelles are visible only with an electron microscope. We have talked about the nucleus in the previous section. Some important example of cell organelles which we will discuss now are mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, plastid, ribosome and vacuoles. But today we will learn about mitochondria. Mitochondria is also known as the powerhouse of the cell. Each mitochondria is a rod-shaped double membrane structure. See, this is the outer membrane and this is inner membrane. The outer membrane is very porous but smooth. The inner membrane is folded. See, the inner membrane is folded into large finger-like structure called cristae. This is called cristae. These finger-like projections are called cristae. The space between the inner membrane is filled with matrix. ये जो space है इसका होलो इस किससे filled है? Matrix से. The fold in the cristae create a large surface area for ATP generating chemical reactions. Mitochondria have their own DNA, this is the DNA, and their own ribosomes. The space between outer and inner membrane is known as intermembrane space. This is the complete structure of mitochondrion. Outer membrane, inner membrane. Outer membrane is porous but smooth. Inner membrane has finger-like projection called cristae. The space between the inner membrane is filled with matrix. The space between outer and inner membrane is known as intermembrane space. Mitochondrion has its own DNA and ribosome.